Visualize the silhouette. The biggest contrast in the landscape is between the sky and the land. The sun and sky are usually lighter than all natural elements on Earth, because the source of light is the sun and the sky. If the day is sunny, the light is warm. If it is overcast, the light is cool. Light and shade. The shadow family and the light family are the second most obvious contrast. On your sketch pad, block in all shadow areas with black marker. Throughout the painting process, the shadow family should remain darker than the light family. Don't destroy relationship. Colorful shadows first. Once you establish your value range with lightest light and darkest dark, it is best to establish the shadow pattern. Filling in the lights. Cover the canvas with clean color notes, making sure the painting maintains the silhouette established in step 1 and the light and shade patterns established in step 2. If it doesn't, make corrections so that it does. The finish. Once the overall color pattern is established correctly, look for subtle changes and variations within shapes. Divide the larger masses into smaller ones, if necessary without destroying the basic shapes. Then step back, turn away, walk away, rest your eyes, take a deep breath, or wash brushes. When you are refreshed, come back to the painting with a renewed sensibility and add finishing touches.